Yeah. Transfer statements. Yeah. Transfer statements, we have 3. Break, continue, and pass. Break, continue, and pass. Yeah, somebody off your continue and pass. Yeah, only 3. Break, continue, and pass. Yeah, one more thing. All of you install the Python. Any difficulty you have faced in installation?
No, sir.
Oh,
No, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir.
Today I will try to move to our IDs also, like PyCharm and Anaconda also, like Jupyter or Spider. We'll see them. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Break. Coming to break. Break is a keyword. Yeah, what is a break then? Break is a keyword. Where we need to use, what is the functionalities of break? Where we can use break?
sir, to exit from
Yeah.
the loop.
Yeah. Break we can place only in loops. And whenever our interpreter seen break, it comes out from that loop. It comes out from loop. Let me see with a small example. Right. Yeah, just to see a small example like for I in range 10. Save the program. Now, when I run this program, it goes up to where it will go. What will be the output of that?
Sir, 0 to 9.
The default value of I starts from 0 and it stops from stop -1, nothing but 9. Py. Yeah, 0 to 9. I want to stop the requirement with 5. Whenever our iterator is come to 5, our I value, then I want to stop the loop. At that time, we can go for break. Suppose if I apply break, I want to stop at the I value 5. Go with if I equals to 7. Then I want to place a word called break, like print break. Then I'm writing like a break. Save the program, Control S. Now run it. Py loop 4.py 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I written as 7. If you written as 5, you stop set 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, suppose if I place this println at the top, if what will be the output?
Sir, 0 to 5.
0 to 5. See, 0 to 5. Whenever the break has been, the remaining statements are not going to be executed in the loop. The loop, the remaining statements are not going to be executed. Clear about this example? All.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next we will move to continue. What is continue? continue.
The next
Huh?
iteration.
We can stop.
Hmm?
Let's go for next iteration.
It skips the current iteration and continues the next iteration. See, with an example. For x in range 10, if x is equals to 5, print continue. And next continue keyword and come out from if, and next I'm writing print x. Save the program. I am running this example. Py loop 5.py. See, the current it is skipped. The current iteration is skipped. See, the 5 is not printed. See, the 5 is not came to here. Whenever our x value is evaluated to 5, the condition is true. If the condition is true, enters into the if, and inside if we have continue is printed, and next it goes to continue means it goes to next iteration. It will not comes to the next line. It goes to next iteration. Continue will not come from the outside of the loop. It will present inside the loop only. If you achieve output also, it will iterate the loop. Break, it will come out from the loop. Continue, it skips only that location. Suppose if I place print x at the top, what will be the output? Now what will be the output?
0 to 9.
It will come all. But it skips remaining, whatever anything are there, it will be skipped. Like and see, here it is not print. The remaining statements are not going to be printed. It goes to the next iteration. This is about our continue. Next we have one more keyword called pass. What is pass?
Nothing statement can be nothing.
Nothing.
No statement can be executed.
No statement can be executed. Okay.
Yes.
Any some other?
It just skips the next execution.
Next skips. Okay. Any other?
With no content.
Pass is nothing but a empty statement. It's nothing but an empty statement, and it is nothing but a null statement, or it would not do anything. When you write pass, it executes, but it not do anything. We use rarely. Most of the places we can use it. Suppose I have one condition like suppose if you write like this, actually this is a correct. If it's true, it goes to equal. Okay, fine. Suppose if you want to write the code later on times, I want to keep this block as empty. Then I want to move for else. I want to write some logic in the else. I want to write some logic in the else. After writing logic, then I want to execute. Then after I want to check if condition. If the condition is true, I want to do some process. So in Python, if you keep empty, We cannot say because Python does not have braces. When you go for other languages to show an empty, we have braces. To show an if condition, we have a braces. If you place nothing means it is an empty, but Python does not have braces. To show that is a block or anything as empty, later on you want to write the code, we write as a pass. We write as a pass. We write it simply pass. Pass means like bypass. It will run, but it does not execute anything, just an empty. That block is empty. Later on, we can develop. Best example, we'll see in OOPS concept like abstract class or interface. There we'll see how to create an abstract method. There we'll learn about more about this pass. Pass is nothing but empty. The block is empty. It will execute, but it does not print anything. Yeah, guys, clear about this?
Yes, sir.
You have any doubt on this three? Break, continue, and pass. Clear? Yeah. And next I'm moving with for with else. For with else. In Python, for supports with else. Anyone known? What is it for with else? For with else? Anyone? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Using else condition with for loop.
Yeah. When we use else, what will happen? When else is going to be executed? When we use for. See with an example.
Will be executed when
Hmm.
when the loop is not terminated by a break statement.
Okay. For I in range 1, 10. If I is equals to 4, print I. 6. Now we know the output. What will be the output now? 1, 2, and 3. It has the 4 on it is break. If you add else, print for else. Just I am writing a statement for loop success. For loop success. And now I am running it. There is no else is executed. Whenever the break is seen, our else is not executed. Whenever it is break is not executed, if I given like 15 never will come. Now see, for loop has been successfully executed. When we are using for with else, any break statement is not occurred, then only else is going to be executed. If break is occurred, else is not executed. Nothing but all iterations are completed, then only else is going to be executed. Any iterated has been stopped. You can stop only with break only. It is stopped, then only it executes else. Clear? Break statement is not executed, only else part will be executed. Hello?
Yeah, that's clear.
Yes,
Here,
sir.
whenever a loop is occurred with break, else is not going to be executed. When break is not occurred, Our interpreter not executed break, then only it will execute else. Same way, we can apply for while with else. While with else also supported. Same way we can apply while with else also. New equals to 1. Yeah. Loop. Yeah. Same. This is also work same only. See the output. 7. See, whenever we occurred with now the break is executed, else is not executed. If the break is not executed, else is executed. That is the difference. Clear about this, all of you? For with else and while with else.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Here, if you have any doubt, you can ask up to control flow statements. No doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, then. Next, I'm moving with strings. Anyone known about string? String. String, guys.
Sir, a string is a sequence of characters.
Okay. Yeah, string is a sequence of character. Somewhat
And
good.
a string
Within either single quotes or double quotes. Last day also I discussed anything we enclosed in single quotes or double quotes, we call it as a string. Remember that when we are
Sir.
when in the topic of type
Yes, sir.
conversions, I discussed a string.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Anything we
Yes, sir.
enclosed inside single quotes or double quotes, we call it as a string. Nothing but any sequence of character within either single quotes or double quotes, we call them as a string. And somebody asked as a triple quotes also. Remember?
Yes, sir.
I'll discuss later on, I said. Yeah. Example are nothing but syntax. We know about this variable and whatever we return it, this all comes to string. This all comes to string, whatever. A number, we return any number also, it considered as a string only in Python. Okay then. Next, string operations. What are the operations you can perform on string? Anyone?
So slicing.
String operations. What are the operations we can perform?
Sir, concat.
Concatenation, sir.
Yeah,
Slicing.
we can perform concatenation and multiplication.
Multiplication.
We can perform concatenation and multiplication. See with an example. Concatenation, yesterday also been seen with when we are working with input function. Yeah, first second equals to second. Then I go with the string equals to first plus second. Equals to save the program, execute the program, py string one dot p. See, concatenation. Whenever we apply addition operator to a string, it goes with a concatenation pattern. And one more we can perform multiplication. When I perform multiplication, what will happen? Yeah, what will happen?
String will be repeated as many times as given.
See, the string has been repeated 5 times. The string will be repeated at 5 times. We can apply two operators. One is a plus operator and one is a multiplication operator. We can perform on string. Next we have string slice. What is a slice? Yeah, guys, what is a slice?
Breaking
Splitting
into
the range,
pieces.
sir.
Extracting particular part in a string.
That's a particular piece of a string.
Slice string.
Breaking into pieces, sir.
Slice means nothing but breaking into pieces. But coming to our coding terminology, we call it as a substring, I think. Substring only now when we break it,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
call it as to cut a substring from a string is called string slicing. Is nothing but a string slicing. Okay, how we can perform string slicing? How we can achieve string slice? How we can achieve?
Index value.
Yeah. String slicing we can perform as in index. What is the symbol of index? What is the operator of index? This is the index operator. Yeah, this is a index operator. But in Python, string supports both the index, positive index and negative index of a string. Positive index starts from left to right, and negative index starts from right to left. We'll see with an example. See. Yeah, I take it one example like Python. Yeah. For this, we have both the index. Here we have index from left. This we call index from left. From left index, it starts with which number? It starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 4 and 5. This is from left side. Next, index we can access from right side also. Index from right. Index from right means the direction is from here. Left means the direction is from here, and the right means the direction is from here. Yeah, right means the direction from here. To start from here, what are the indexes?
Minus 1.
The first starting index is minus 1. This is minus 1. This is minus 2. This is minus 3. Minus 4. Minus 5. Minus 6. Yeah, this is from right side. If I return many index minus 1, it prints n. This is from right and this is from left. This is from left. And this is from right. This is from left and this is from right. We'll see with an example. Yeah. Based on this below. Yeah. Now I'm taking string 1 equals to Python. Next, I want to print str1 index. If I print index 0, what will the output? For index 0.
P.
If index 0 index is nothing but from left hand side. Left hand side, what will have in 0 index?
Is
See? My file name P. Next, same way, print str1. I've gone with negative minus 1. Then what will the output? See the diagram?
N.
And
What is there in minus
N.
1? This is a right.
N.
Index starts from
N.
right. There is nothing but n. N. Same way, print str1. Now I'm using slice operator, nothing but a single slice column 1 and 4. What will the output here?
YTH.
Say 1 means starting.
YT.
1 means starting. And 4 is what is 4?
Endings.
YTH.
It is 4 minus 1 or 4 only?
4 minus
4
4 minus 1.
sir.
Stop minus 1 only na?
Yes, sir.
Then
It's
what
not
will the
included.
output?
YTH.
YTH.
Y, T and H. It goes from it access only 1, 2 and 3 index. It access only 1, 2 and 3 index only. Stop minus 1. Okay. Next, print str1 of -4. Now what will the output for
T.
-4?
T.
T, sir.
Yeah. P, Y, P, N, Y, T, H, and T. You can access in the both ways, left and right ways. Yeah. Clear about this?
Yes, sir.
All of you accessing with index. Clear? If you have any doubt.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next. Yeah. Next time moving to updating a string. We can update a string. Yeah. Updating string. We can do any update of a string.
So we cannot update a particular index of a string.
We can do or we cannot do or.
We cannot, sir. Strings are immutable.
Strings are immutable. Okay, we cannot do. See, we'll see that example. If you try, what will happen? If you try with updating, what will happen?
Sir, error will occur.
Error will occur. Okay. str1 equals to hello. Print str1 of index 0. What will print?
H.
H. I want to change the value of H. It is possible. That is asking I am updating.
No, sir. No, sir, it is not possible.
Not possible. Okay, we'll try str1 0 equals to, I want to write in place of H A. I want to write in place of H as A. Then I want to print str1 of 0. See, why you are getting error? The string object does not support its assignment. We cannot change. We cannot change. But I can add a string. For this hello, I can add by hello and by hello and I can do like
Yeah,
update.
yeah.
I
Yes,
can
sir.
do like that updates.
Yes, sir, we can do that.
Can perform like updates. See, first initial is hello. Next print str1 plus by. This I can do. This type of updates I can do. It performs.
Yes, sir.
But if you print S1, what will happen now?
Hello will be printed, sir, only.
Will print only hello. If you want to change the string, you cannot change complete. If you want to add, then you can go for reassignment. We call it as a reassignment. Reassign means again assign for it. str1 equals to. This we call as reassignment. By using reassignment, you can do update, but you cannot update inside the characters. Clear? Guys,
Yes, sir.
updation is done to the existing string by using assigning, but we cannot change, we cannot update inside one. If you want to update like in its place of H any characters, that is not possible. But you can add. For existing string, you can do add by using reassignment. This is nothing but a reassignment. Already we assigned, again we are assigned. Nothing but a reassignment. Okay. All of you clear? Any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. We can delete a string. Deleting a string. We can delete a string. It is possible to delete a string. Hello? Hello? You can delete a string.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. We cannot delete a characters inside a string, but you can delete complete string by
Yes, sir.
using dill. Dill and your object or a variable name. Variable or your object name. Like example, dill str1. The object completely will be deleted. The object completely will be deleted. Okay, clear. Next, I want to move it to unique code string. What is unique code string? Yeah, guys, what is unique code string?
Sir, we represent the Unicode string using a /u.
No, slash should not. What is a normal string? Normal string. Till now, what we written, like hello, Python, these all are called normal string, normal characters. Normal string in Python, normal string in Python are stored internally as 8 bits. Normal strings are stored with 8 bits. Then how many bytes then? Eight bits means how many bytes? Hello?
1 byte.
8 bits in ask you. 8 bits means how many bytes? Sir?
1.
1 byte. Sir.
1 byte. So normal strings in Python are stored internally with 8 bits, but Unicode is not 8 bits. What is Unicode? Unicode string are stored
In memory.
as 16 bits. 16 bits. We need to mention explicit. The Unicode is this and normal means this. So 64 bits, nothing but 2 bytes, I think.
Yes, sir.
64 bits means
Yes,
2
sir.
bytes.
2 bytes.
Okay, then. Now, come to an example. We'll see which is normal, which is Unicode. My string what is this string? String is a normal string.
Yes, sir.
It's a normal string. Before that, if you apply R means nothing but R means a raw string, nothing but a normal string. R means a raw string. Nothing but a like normal string. There's no change in the output. Output is same only. It's 4. Yeah, there is no change in output. But how to represent Unicode means if I write a Unicode, there is no change you cannot see. Unicode will starts with U. U stands for Unicode. U stands for Unicode. Then tell me what are the characters of Unicode? Anyone? What are the characters of Unicode? Anyone? What are the characters we have? What are the characters in Unicode? Know about ASCII characters up to 256. What is the size and what is the characters we have for Unicode? Unicode. What is a Unicode? What we need right here? Anyone? What are Unicode characters, guys? Unicode characters. Unicode characters is nothing but we have different languages are supported. You can write in Telugu, Hindi, Tamil, and Malayalam also. That all supported. If you go for other countries like Germany, Japan, they have the systems on their phones. Your mobile also you can see. Some phones you can see different language other than English. The settings also will convert it other than English. Anyone observed anytime? Anyone observe? It goes to Chinese language sometimes. Observed, huh? Guys. This is a Unicode I am writing. You can write Unicode and you can print the message. This is called Unicode. Yeah, permit is asking. Ask you. I'm going with Unicode. Now I'm going to be run. Output error. Okay, 1 second. I'll print. Don't worry. That is CUI. That is a character user interface. That's why that is an error. Yeah, I'm going to PyCharm. Yeah, this is PyCharm. This is a IDE. IDE means what? Anyone? IDE.
Integrated development environment.
Yeah, integrated development environment. And you can download this from JetBrains. And download only community. It is a free and it is a lifetime validity. It's a very free. You can use simple. If you move to professional, it works only for 1 month. It works only for 1 month. 1 second, guys. I'll come. I'll print. Unicode means you can print any different languages. If our system is supporting your mother tongue language, you can type Python in your mother tongue also. That is possible with Unicode. Anything, if your mother tongue is very fast than other language, right or wrong? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Mother tongue means learning is very easy. You can do anything fast. If our operating systems are supported in mother tongue languages, you can write code in very fast also. project. Yeah, making a new folder and keeping this as PyCharm. Yeah, just to click on create. It will create. I think most of the people know about PyCharm, I think. Yeah, guys, you know, or you are going with Jupyter or Spider, Anaconda software.
Sir, I'm in IntelliJ, sir.
This is IntelliJ. IntelliJ you are using.
Yes, sir.
That is also from JetBrains only.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute. It takes some time. Okay, then take some time. Again, I will come back here. Next topic. And I can come back with that unique code only. It takes in some time. Okay. Next, yeah. Next we have string libraries. Python string libraries. Yeah, what are there? We have, you know, Python libraries. Guys, Python libraries.
Sir, is upper, is lower,
Yeah.
is alphabet.
First, we'll discuss about capitalize method or a function. What is this capitalize method? What it will do? Capitalize method.
Capitalize the first letter.
Yeah. It returns a copy of the string with only its first character as a capital. First character as a capitalize. We'll see with an example. Yeah, everything Python is present in object. Methods we can call directly like by using dot. Dot is an operator. It's fetch. It calls or it's a fetch. The method name is capitalize. Then see the output, save the file. Py string 5 dot py. Welcome. Yeah, see, the first one is the capital. And if I given any space, after space also capitalize or only first character? Only first character of a string. Next we have a method called isDigit. What is isDigit? isDigit. What it will do? isDigit checks whether the string contains of digits only or not. Whether the string contains digits or not. See, my string 1 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Print my string 1 dot digit. Is digit. See, we have digits completely. We have okay. If we have any characters, any one character, it is false. It should have completely. If you are using isDigit, the string should have completely numbers. If it has completely numbers, only it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. Next method we have length. You can find length of a string. My string. My string. Yeah, division length. Yeah, we have 14. We have 14 characters. We have a 14 characters. This is about length. Next we have join. What is join? What is join method? Guys, what is join method?
So joining a string with a given string.
Joining with a given string. Okay. Any other?
Also, we can join more than one string with a given character in between.
In between. Okay. Suppose I'm taking a one string like I'll take one. Like a list only I will take. Yeah. Machine learning. AI. IoT. There is a list of it consists of strings. Okay. Now I want to apply join. Then what will happen if I apply join? Like I want to apply a join like column dot join for str1. For str1, I want to join column. Then what will the output now? What will the output?
ML colon AI colon IOD.
Yeah. After completion of every string, we have a column. We have a column. One more example we will tell. See, like mass equals to tuple I am taking. $98. Next I want to print mask dot join sequence. Then what will the output here? Any guess? See, 98 after 3 stars, then after again 2 stars, then after again 3 stars, then 11. This is called masking. The data, some will print a phone number if you're in Google, in Gmail. When you are sending an OTP, it stores first starts, then only stores only last 2 integers. That concept is nothing but masking. There is nothing but concept masking. That's why I keep a word as mask. This is about a join. Next we have max method. What is max? What is max method?
Giving the maximum string.
Maximum. What is your max? Max means what? Big. What is your big character?
Big.
Output is the max function will returns big character from a given string. In any string, what is the highest character? A is small, Z is large. If you have Z, Z. But in this 4 A, B, C, D, highest priority, big character is D. We are going to see output as D. Next we have replace. Replace. Yeah. What is replace? Inside a string, we can replace the characters like S2 equals to hi. How are you? Hi, how are you? Next, I want to print S2. Next, I want to change in place of R as capital R. In place of R, I want to place a capital R. We have a syntax for this. Syntax of replace old comma new. Old comma new. Where we want to old string, place that and a new string. Print S2 dot replace S2 dot replace old string. I want to change at the place of R. And next comma new string with a capital R. New string with a capital R. Save the file. See R. In place of U, I want to change with capital U. Repeat same, apply same logic. S2 dot replace U with capital U. Yeah, U with capital U. I told we need to do reassigning only, then only it will change. And not reassigned here. Strings are updated when you did a reassignment. Just I printed, not reassigned. Clear about this up to here? Guys, up to here, clear about string methods.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, you have one more.
Sir.
Zfill. What is this method? It pairs the string on the left with zeros. Pair the string left side with zeros. Suppose if you have a string like deep learning, print S3 dot set fill of 20 I given. See, from left side, it's pad,
Zero padding.
0 padding. That means 0 means total how many characters you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. After 20 minus 13, what will have 7? The 7 zeros will come. The starting 7 zeros, then after your string. Clear about this? Z field, 0 field. Z stands for 0.
Sir, can we add zeros in the end of the string?
End of the string.
Yeah.
That we need to go with the direct logical.
Okay.
Z field is from starting onwards.
Okay.
Any doubts in string? Guys, hello? And we have some more methods like uppercase, lowercase. That is simple, you can learn. Guys, any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No doubt. And one more. Yeah, we have a double slice. Anyone know about double slice? This one. Anyone know about that?
Sir, it represents the steps we take.
Yes, sir.
Same.
We give the step size also.
It is start. It is stop. Before that also we see. But one more is added. This is for next step. Step, I think. This is for step. Suppose if I given any string like S4, print S4 of 1 colon. What will the output here? 1 means is nothing but from left hand side onwards index.
Yes, sir. From V to the end.
From 1 means from B. It starts with B. Print S4. If I given double colon from last -1, then what will the output? -1 means from right side onwards.
Reverse version of this thing.
From reverse order. It will print from reverse order. Print S4. S4. What will the output now? Guys, output
HIJ.
Output not printed. The limit has been crossed. Stop is crossed. I'm starting with 7. Here we are ending with 7. It's not possible. Then you will get only empty. Nothing is going to be print output. See, it is printed with a space. It printed with a space. See, nothing is, there is no error, but it prints only space. See, observe a space, 2 space we are getting. See, nothing is going to be print. Your limit has been crossed. Index is 7, but end it 4. It is not possible. It is not possible. In that case, we get only empty. Nothing is going to be print. Yeah, guys, clear up to here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, next I'm moving with data structure. What is the data structure? Yeah, 1 minute. The charm is open. Okay, fine. I stop with the Unicode, I think. Yeah, to run any file in PyCharm, first right click on your folder, go to new. You can create any directory. Directory is nothing but like folder. You can create any folder. In all folder inside also you can save. Like I'm keeping like folder like test examples. The folder is going to be create. Next to new, I'm going with file. Yeah, selecting with Python, Unicode. There is an example I stopped. Yeah, it's simple and pasting. Yeah, run is very simple. You can do right click here only and you can do run, or you can go with the control shift plus F10 also. Simple, right click on this file and we have run option, run it. Yeah, printed, huh? Guys, output printed. U stands for Unicode. U stands for Unicode. At the starting of the string, you are placing U means prefix. Prefix with U means our Python interpreter treat it as a Unicode. It goes with Unicode and it prints the output. Not only this language, any language you can write and prefix with U and try with that. Yeah. Next we have data structure. What is a data structure? Guys, what is a data structure?
It is a way of storing the data so that it can be efficiently used.
Okay. Any other?
Means organizing a data, sir.
Yeah, organizing and sorting the data. You can do sorting. It is nothing but a data structure. What is an algorithm?
Step-by-step process.
Step-by-step process or rules.
Yes.
Okay. Types of data structures we have.
Yes,
General.
sir. Array and linked list.
Array, list,
Yeah, we have,
queues.
okay, we
Many
have some name for that.
Yes.
That is a linear data structure and non-linear data structure.
Non-linear data structure.
Linear data structures, the example you have said correct, arrays,
Arrays.
linked list, stack, and queues. Non-linear data structures, any
Tree and
names?
graph.
Tree,
And graph.
hash trees, binary trees, heaps, and graphs. Okay, fine. And coming to Python data structures, what we have? Python data structure.
Also list.
List,
Arrays.
Tuple.
Dictionary.
Arrays.
Tuples.
in
Right.
Python.
Strings.
In Python, we have inbuilt data structures. Inbuilt data structures, your set was already color correct. List,
Tuple.
Tuple.
Array.
tuple,
Array.
set, dictionaries. List, tuple, set, and dictionaries. Already you know List is represented by square brackets. Tuple is represented by
Parenthesis.
parentheses. Set is represented by braces, and dictionary is represented by braces with key and values. Yesterday we are C. Yesterday we are C. Now coming to our first topic, list. What is a list? Yeah, guys, list. Yeah, guys, what is a list?
Collection of objects.
Collection of objects. Okay.
Storing of multiple values in single variable.
Okay. A list is a container. A list is a container which holds comma separated values. Comma separated values. Values are nothing but objects. It can be items or elements. Elements. Between square brackets. Between square brackets, where items can be different. You not have all same, it can have different. So list has have some characters. What are the characters? List has some characters.
Ordered,
Order.
changeable,
Mutable.
Yeah, mutable. What is meant by mutable?
Can be changed.
Okay. And next we have it is a
Dynamic.
linear. It is a linear data type, data structure.
Dynamic.
It's dynamic mixture.
It has mixer type. It's a mixer type elements. And it is a zero base index. It's a zero base index and no variable length. Variable length is no limit. Variable length anything. And coming to types of list. How many types of list we have? These are the four characters we have. Mutable list is a data structure, linear data structure. Mixed type elements, all combination it is allowed, and it starts with a zero based index. These are the four we need to remember. And types of list. Anyone? Types of list.
Linked list. Linked list.
No,
Circular
no.
list.
We can create a, that is different concept. Types of list, we have empty list. We can create an empty list. Empty list. A list without any elements is called a empty list. Nothing but right.
Ordered list.
No. It is an empty list. Empty list is nothing but my underscore list equals to this. This is nothing but empty list. It is nothing but empty list. It's an empty list. We can create an empty list. Types of list means we can create one empty list, and one more we have empty list, number list. What is a number list? Number list.
List with numbers.
List with numbers. We can create a integer list. Integers list. It has only numbers. It has only numbers. Like it has only numbers. It has only numbers. It is called integer list. And same way we have one more list, float list. We can create a float list also. It is nothing but float list. We can create a float list, and we can create a string list also. We can create a string list. It has completely strings. It has completely strings like names, names. This is string list, completely string. Only it has string. We call it as a string list. Same way, we have mixed list. Mixed list is nothing but is a combine of different types. Nothing but a different type. Is nothing but a mixed list. Is nothing but a mixed list. Come back. We have nested list also. Anyone know about nested list?
List inside a list.
List within the list.
Nested list. Nested list is nothing but a list inside a list. Nothing but this is nothing but a nested list. This is nothing but a nested list. And next, what type of operations we can perform in list? Operations we can
Slicing.
perform in list. Operator. What of operators are allowed?
We can
Appending,
slice the
sir.
list.
Adding the list. Compare.
Next,
Then
Concatenation.
we can apply addition, subtraction.
yeah.
You want more?
Concatenation.
Yeah, concatenation, addition for multiplication is nothing but repetitions. And any one more?
Membership.
We can apply. Yeah, membership. Okay, we can apply iterator for only in membership. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we can apply addition, multiplication, and loop also we can apply. See an example. My list. print my list plus my list one. My list and my list one. What will be the output? Concatenation. This is nothing but we are performing concatenation. If I apply repetition, multiplication, what will happen? Now what will happen if you apply for repetition, multiplication?
So the list items will get multiplied.
The list inside items will be
Repeated.
this is for one time. This is a one time repetition. This is second time repetition, and this is a third time repetition. And one more last one, we can perform iterator also, like for list lis in my list one column print iterator also we can perform. Yeah, iteration also we can perform, and one more membership operator also, nothing but in only print ml in my list one, ml in my list one. What it returns? True. It returns true. If it is not there, in not there case, it returns false. It returns false. These are our operators we can perform in list: addition, multiplication, loop, and one more membership operator in also we can perform. Yeah, coming to next list index. We can access a list with index also. We can
Hey,
access
Vasu.
sir.
Hanmat here.
Okay.
See, I think it is, we can give a break for 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay.
So that they can regroup after 15 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Next topic is list index. Index is represented by square bracket, and Python supports both positive index and negative index. And we'll go with one example on that. Yeah. What is the output of now 4?
Oh, sir.
Oh. Okay. Save and run it. Oh. And for negative index, if I place like -4.
Why, sir? T.
T, sir. T.
T only?
Yes, sir.
T. This is about positive indexes, and this is about negative index accessing. Next, we can access nested list also same way. Nested list. Nested list is nothing but a list inside one more list. List inside one more list. We call it as a nested list. My list. One comma 2. 6. Okay. How nested index are represented? Nested indexes are represented. This index is 0. And this indexes is 1 and this indexes is 2. If you want to access nested index, again we need to go for one more box. Nested list. We need to go for 2 indexes box. 2 indexes. This is the first representation index and this is a nested listed elements. So print my list of 0. What is the output now? Guys, output.
Python, sir.
Okay.
Python, sir.
Okay. This is a single positiveness. Print my list of 1. What will the output here?
1, 2,
1, 2.
2.
1 and 2. I want to access inside the elements. Inside, this inside like 1, 2. Then we need to go for one more index. And here we need to place. If I place 0, it will be into 1. See the output? See 1. If I place 1, this is 1 for one outer index. This is 1. And this is for one more nested inside it. Inside it means this is 0 and this is 1. And this is 2 is the output. Same way, if I return like print my list 2 minus 1, what will be the answer here? 6. Answer will be 6.
6.
Yeah. Second index. This is first index and this is first. This is 0. This is 1 and this is 2. Inside 2, I am writing minus 1. Minus 1 means starts from right hand side. Right hand side we have 6. That is the output. We can access a nested list also. Next, we have slice. List also support slice. List also supports slice. My list equals to big data, Hadoop, IoT, print my list 0:2. What it will be going to print? The slice. This is a starting and this is a stopping. What will be the output?
Big data. Hadoop.
Big data and Hadoop or only big data?
Data Hadoop.
Big data and
Hadoop.
Hadoop. Next, print my list. Now what it will be going to print?
Big data, Hadoop,
Total
IoT.
list.
What will the output here?
Total list.
Total list. It prints total list. If we apply -1,
In a reverse order.
reverse order,
Oh, only last one it's removed. Okay.
only AI is removed
Yes.
because target na. Stop na, stop -1.
Okay.
Like, okay. Next we have some methods in list. We have methods in list. We have some methods in list. We'll see about first method, append. What is append?
Adding data last of the
Append is a method adds the object or element to a existing list at first or last.
Last.
It adds at last. See, my list 1 equals to comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Print my list. Then all going to be printed. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I want to add one element to the list. So methods, we need to call with our object my list 1 dot. My list 1 dot. Our method is append. Append, and I'm giving one element like 5. Now this is added at last or first.
Last.
Yeah, it is going to be added last of the existing list. Same way, we have one more extends. How extends is going to be work? What is extends then? Guys, extends. Extends method adds the elements at the last only, but little difference is there with append and extends. My list, all list is going to be print. Yeah. If I add my list dot extends, I can add a list like 6 and print my list. See, it is also added at last, but you can add n number of lists. But append supports only one list. It adds only one object, one element only. But extends add n number of list. It can add 1, it can add 2, it can add 3, it can add 4, it can add n number of. That is the extends. It extends the existing list. Nothing but it adds at the last from the existing list. Next, we have insert. What is insert? Insert. Guys, insert.
Then we want to insert element at a certain index.
As a method name only tell, we can insert the element based on index. It has index, it has 2 parameters, 2 argument, index and element. Index. If you give the index, in that place index, it is going to be add the element. One comma 2 comma 3. Print my list. My list data. Insert 1 comma 100. Print my list. Observe In the index 1 is going to be add 100. See, this is 0 and this is a 1 index. In the index 1 we can add 100. And any difference between append and insert? What is difference between append and insert?
In append, end of the list. Okay, ma'am.
In append, every element or every object is added at the last. But in a insert, based on positions we can add. Based on positions, if you want to start, ending, or in middle, you can add anywhere by using insert. That is a different. And next we have one more function called remove. What is remove?
It removes any element from the list.
Remove. It removes an item from the list. We can specify the item. Suppose print my list dot remove. I want to remove like 1. I want to remove 1. The methods written. Okay. Yeah, 1 has been deleted. 1 has been deleted. Removes the element. If I want to remove 100 or 3, the element 3 has been deleted. Remove is used to remove the element from the list. And next we have one more called clear. What is clear? As the name itself only tells. Clears the list. Simply you can call my list dot clear. My list dot clear. There is no list will be there. Get an empty list. See, this is an empty list. Inside every list, inside list, all elements are going to be removed, and we have only empty list. It's not going to be delete. It's not going to delete complete list. It deletes only elements in the list. Elements in the list. And next we have one more method. Index. What is an index? How index works? Index, guys. What is index? What is index method? Index.
So giving the index of the specific element.
No. Whenever we whenever we place any element inside a list, the index number it is going to be printed, like AI, MN, print my list dot index of IoT. IoT index is 2, 0, 1, 2. Index, any item we given, the item will be printed. If any item is not there, what it will give? The item is not present. If the item is not present, like deep learning, then what is going to be print?
Errors.
It will print an error. It will print an error. Okay, fine. Yeah. Next, we have a method called sort. As the name itself only tells, it sorts the list. And we have a syntax for it. Sort list.sort. Inside it, we have reverse equals to, we can write only one, true or false. True or false. By default, default what is default? Default is false. Default is false. See an example. List one dot sort. Before sorting, after sorting. How they are going to be sort? Any idea? Ascending order, descending order.
Sir, sending on.
Default it is ascending order A, B, C, D, and D. And remember one thing, in list, it should be pure. If you are writing only strings, only for strings only it going to be sort. If it has integers, only integer sort. In a list, it contains mixed data types. Sort is not applicable. If the list has mixed, now I'm writing integers with mixed one. I am writing mixed one, mixed data types. You are getting an error. Mixed are not supported. It should have only pure, either an integer or either a float or completely string. It supports only for pure. It should have completely same, either string, either number, or either a float. Either a float. Yeah, guys, up to here clear, or you have any doubt? Yes, sir. Okay. Next, we have some special we can do with the list. I want to perform stack. What is a stack? Guys, what is a stack? Stack in data structure. How stack works? Guys,
Stack is a linear data structure.
yeah, okay. We have one. How it perform?
It perform last in first order.
Last in
First order.
first out.
Order. Yes, last first order.
The last element will come and it will go first.
Yes.
This is a stack we represented like 10, 20, which is push, and this is pop. Push means the values come and sit on the top of the stack. If I tell push 30, the 30 will come and sit into top of the stack. If I say pop, the first in the stack top, what is there that will come out. If again I'll tell 20 will be come out. Last in first out, the last element will come that will serve first. There is a mechanism. LIFO, last in, first out. We can perform that. Yes, we can perform LIFO stack by using our list. We'll see my list equals to, I'm entering 1, 1 comma 2. Okay. In stack, if we add, if we push anything, where it is going to be sit? At last or first? In stack,
Last.
last. List also same only. If I add any element to the list, it going to the first or last?
Last.
Last only. My list. First C with an starting list. Yeah. Next time appending a list. My list dot append 3. Print my list. Yeah, it's going to be adding at the last. Again, I will repeat the steps. Like 4 and 5. All are going to be add at the last. Now, coming to here. Stack inside, okay. But when I say pop, which element is going to be delete in stack?
So 5.
5. Okay. Same way, we have here also method pop. We have a method pop. My list dot. We have a method called pop. Pop will remove directly. Now 5 will be removed. See, 5 is gone. Again, repeat pop. Now, which element is going to be deleted?
4.
4. We can perform stack also. If you want to perform stack, you can use list, append like push, and pop is like a pop only. You can perform stack also by using list. Clear about this example?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. We can perform queue also. What is queue?
It follows FIFO orders.
Queue means like a movie ticket. When we are going to a movie, we have in some queue. First one, you take the tickets and it will go out. That is a queue. Who came the first? That person will go to the out. Nothing but first in, first out. First in, first out. And we can perform, sir. Yes, we can perform. But my list equals to, assume this is a queue. Yeah, this is a queue. Adding a queue is okay. How to add, we know. In queue, everyone is added at the last only. Last means we know we have a function called append. Six. My list. Okay, 7. I'm going to be. Yeah, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Q is okay. Now Q is developed. How to remove? Which element should be removed in Q?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can we append multiple numbers at a time?
Yeah, by using extends you can do extends method.
Okay.
Before that, I give an example. Yeah, by using extends you can add. Yeah. Coming to here, in Q, which is going at last? Guys, In Q, what should be come out?
First it will send
One.
7, sir.
1 should become in Q. This is a Q. In Q, first in last out, first in first out only na. Who is in first here? He is the first. He is the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh in Q. Now I want to remove 1. How can I remove to perform Q? Any idea? Any idea, guys? I can perform.
remove what?
We can use the remove function.
Remove will remove first only. I want to remove 1.
So we will have to. Also, we will have to pass the 0th element.
And next onwards you will pass
Usually direction we
again
can-
second. Next are for first, third. To do like that in Python, we have a one concept. We have a one package or a module we have. We have a one module. The module name is Q. We have a one module called Q. We have a module called one Q. Q is a module, and this module, in this module, we have one class. We have one class called collection. We have one class called collection. I'll show. Do not worry, these are implicit inbuilt. How to create user-defined modules, that all will learn from. Don't bother about this. We'll learn later on this. Import Q. Import Q. My list. Yeah, in my list. Second, cross check. Correct import is there.
So I guess collections. Not sure.
One minute. Mistake from collections. Okay. Yeah, DQ and collections. Okay, fine. Here also should be work. Yeah, DQ and collection. In that one, yeah. Now this collection is nothing but a class. functions. Is a class and Q is a module. What is module and what is class we are going to be learn. Don't worry about that. And first we need to convert Q. First we need to take Q, and Q has given one method called DQ. We have a one method called DQ. DQ is a conversion method, typecasting. The list is going to convert into DQ type, and now it is acts this all elements like a DQ only. In this DQ module is provided with one functions or one methods like remove or pop left. Given one method called pop left. Yeah, pop left. It removes element from left side. The one is going to be deleted. See, one has been deleted. These all are DQ. The package with DQ, the one is going to be deleted. Again, if you repeat, it is going to be deleted two. It's going to be deleted two. See, clear about this, guys? Clear about this DQ?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Just to remember this only one sentence, we'll discuss how to create this, what is this, when functions has been completed, there we'll discuss more on that. Just to converting our list to DQ, and we can perform our Q functions also. Append, it works it as at the last, and pop at left, it removes the element from the left. These are the special things we can do, like stack and queue. Coming to next, list supports double slice operator also. List supports a double slice operator also. Yeah, double slice means two columns. Double slice performs a double slice also. List for print my list, print my list. Yeah, what will be the output now? Both the outputs. Hello.
So same.
Same. Yeah, because step one is incrementing every time, same only. Suppose it is 2, what will the output? Every time it will be increment with 2. Then what will the output?
1, 3.
Yeah, 1, 3. Default is 0, that is printed. Then add 2, 0, 1 and 2. 3 is going to be printed in second position. For second position 2, again added to 4. There is no element. Stop the iterate. Slice is stop. Print my list colon -3. What will the output now? Output
Sir, 2.
only 2. Output what?
2 and
4
1.
and 1. 4 and 1. 4 starts at -1 index. -1 and increment with -3. That is going to be printed the output. Clear about this up to here? List methods, list operations, and slice. Clear? Or you have any doubt up to here?
Clear.
Yeah.
Clear, sir.
Python list supports other than list, other than this. We have some more functions, some more methods we have. Enumerate. What is enumerate? As the name itself only say enumerate. Enumerate, anyone? Anyone known? Listen about enumerate.
It assigns the number for the variables given in that enumerate function.
Okay. Any other? Tags the indexes, I can say, for the elements. You are saying that only now.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yeah, for elements, it has like indexes. Okay. See, whatever you said is correct only. See, my list equals to Hadoop Spark. Yeah. Next one. Apply enumerate. If you apply enumerate, what will happen? See, print my list as it is. Print enumerate of my list. See what it is written. It written an object. See, it returns an object. Then I want to print elements. How to print the elements? How to print the elements, guys? If it's an object, go with for x in enumerate my list. Enumerate my list. Print x. Print x. See now. Printed with the indexes. See, it's printed with the indexes. List is converted into with an indexes. It's converted with an indexes. Enumerate function converts the list into indexes base. And if you apply directly and if you print directly, it returns the address. It's going to print object address. We can print enumerated list with the help of loop. With the help of loop. And other than these functions we have, you already know about them, like list one equals to print. Yeah, length is an inbuilt one. List one. What is the length of this list? What is a big number? These are us Python inbuilt methods. Min, what is a minimum number? And sum. Length, what is the length? 5. Length is 5 and biggest number is 5. Lowest number minimum is 1. And if you add all, we'll get an 15. We will get an 15. Clear about this? Enumerate and list, max, min, and sum. Clear? Or you have any doubt? And most of the list is used in NumPy and Pandas and Matplot to plot any graphs. In that case, we are using list. In real time, we are going to be use it list in Matplots. We have a module on Matplots also. Yeah, guys, clear strings and list concept. You have any doubt, you can ask to me. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Okay, one minute.
Yes.
Yeah, Hanuman sir. Sarah has been not there. Okay. Yeah, guys, 1 minute.